First, remove your current handle. You may need to access one of the screws by removing a small cap. The other screw is often found under the actual handle. After removing the handle, use a tape measure, and holding the end of the tape against the base of the handle, measure from the base to the tip of the spindle. Make a note of the length in millimeters, as this will be required when ordering your new handles. Make sure to unlock the handle before fitting. Making sure the spindle is aligned with the locking mechanism, push your Verselo handle gently against the frame. Now use the supplied screws to secure the handle in place. Test the handle to make sure the window opens, closes, and locks. To finish, simply replace the cap to hide the top fixing screw.